Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at polynomials and multiplication of polynomials. So before we get started, I wanted to recall a couple points. The first one is about distribution. A times B plus C is AB plus AC, like that. Or with a trinomial, A times B plus A times C plus A times D. And here's a visual representation of this. Here we have A times B plus C plus D, which is this here, and it's divided into little chunks. A times B, AB, A times C, AC, and A times D, AD. So we see that this times that gives the combination of these three things right there. And the second thing I want to recall is from our exponents video. X squared times x is x to the 2 plus 1, which gives x3, like that. And so we're going to use these things in today's lesson. So example 1, multiply. We're going to have 2x squared times 3x. So we're going to rewrite it here so that it's 2 times 3, and then x squared times x, like that. So 2 times 3 is 6, and x squared times x is x to the 2 plus 1, right? There's x to the 1 right here. And that gives x to the 3. So 2x squared times 3x gives 6x cubed, like that. B, negative 4a times 5a squared. So negative 4 times 5, negative 20. A times a squared, a cubed, like that. C, negative 7 times negative 5 gives 35. B times b, b squared, like that. D, 6ab times 3a. So 6 times 3, 18. A times a squared. And b remains like that. Okay, time for some practice. Multiply. Go ahead and pause the video and perform these multiplications. Okay, we're back. So we have 8 times 2, 16. Y times y, y squared. Negative 2 times negative 3 is 6. A squared times a cubed, like that. Negative 5 times 2, negative 10. B is there. C times c, c squared. 7 times 3, 21. X squared times x squared, x to the 4. Okay, so that was a monomial multiplying a monomial. Now we're going to have a monomial multiplying a binomial or trinomial. So multiply. So sometimes you see these lines there to help you. 4 times 2. And then 4 times x, like that. So 4 times 2 here, plus 4 times x, as we saw in our distribution property. And so 4 times 2, 8, 4 times x, 4x, like that. And I'm going to not write this middle step. I'm going to go straight to the answer for these given problems. If you want to write out the middle steps, there's no problem. So negative 3 times x plus 5. So negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times 5, negative 15, like that. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times negative x is minus 6x, like that. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times minus 4 is negative 8x. E, 5x squared y times 2x gives 10x cubed y. And then 5x squared y times negative 3y gives negative 15x squared y squared, like that. F, negative 2x times this trinomial. So we go term by term, like that. So negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative 3, so that's plus 6xy, like that. Negative 2 times 4, so it's negative 8. X times x squared, x cubed, like that. G, 6y times negative 2y gives negative 12y squared. 6y times negative x, negative 6xy. And then 6y times y cubed gives 6y4. Okay, so time for some practice. I want to put it all there for you. There you go, A to H. Go ahead and pause the video and multiply. Okay, we're back. So 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 3, 15. Negative 6 times 4, negative 24. Negative 6 times negative x gives positive 6x, like that. 3 times 3x, 9x. 3 times 3, 9. 2x times 5, 10x. 2x times negative x gives negative 2x squared. 11y times y, 11y squared. 11y times 2x gives 22xy, like that. 2xy times 3x, so it's 6x squared y. Negative 8xy squared, like that. 3x times x, 3x squared. 3x times negative 4y, negative 12xy. And then 3x times 7, 21x. Negative 4y times 2y squared, so negative 8y cubed. Negative 4y times negative 3y gives positive 12y squared. And negative 4y times 2 gives negative 8y. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.